Real Madrid fans are the most ungrateful set of fans in football. You people are very, very ungrateful. If somebody had told me that a day will come when you people will turn against Vini Jr. like this, I will never believe it. Kylian Mbappe came to Real Madrid and took away Vini Jr.'s shine. That one is a fact. It is a fact. He took away Vini Jr.'s shine. He took his spot, took his penalties, took his alpha male, position in the team.
Oga Combo na lie to God na lie. This one you don't lie. This thing Mbappe did not take Vini Jr. position. Both of them are this thing left winger, but Mbappe leave that winger for him. So stop saying this. We know Vini Jr. is a better player, but now for now he's not doing well. Nobody take his position. He's not doing well. I beg. Oga, I respect you so much, but this one no, I know you know follow. It's not doing well. Oh,